everyone, so I decided that I would show you how I study for math. Math is actually not a subject that I'm very good at. I actually struggle with it quite a lot. So these are just some of the ways that I try to make sure that I pass my class and also make sure that I understand the concepts that I am given in class. So I hope you enjoy. So first off, I'm just going to show you the supplies that I have with me when I study. First, I have my notes that I took in class. Because my professor doesn't go over all of the contents of the chapter, it is imperative that I go back into the textbook and basically take down everything that he didn't go over. So I use these kind of as a guideline to see what we covered in class, to see what I need to go over in my chapter. So first off, of course, I need my binder that has all my supplies in it and also my pencil case. Now, in my pencil case, I only use my highlighters and a pencil, of course, to take notes. And I use my highlighters to color code anything that I have to basically highlight any key concepts and also highlight headers and subheaders, and it helps me to stay organized. I, of course, need my textbook, and this is statistics, and some extra paper. I like to listen to some study music, so I have my iPad, and I occasionally like to drink some tea while I'm studying. So now I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So I basically have my textbook and my paper and my highlighters, and I go on ahead and start taking notes. Now before that, I went through my class notes to see what we went over. And also there are some things that my professor gives that the textbook doesn't give, and sometimes he gives like a nice shortened version of what it says in the textbook and something that's easier for me to understand. So I'll take those notes as well. Throughout this video, you will see me highlighting, and again, I highlight key terms and also things that need to be emphasized, headers and subheaders. So I use yellow for the key terms that I use. I use pink for the headers, and I use orange for subheaders and things that need to be emphasized. I also use some of my other highlighters, the skinnier ones. I use those to maybe emphasize or outline my graphs, just so it'll be easier for me to see and it'll automatically draw my eye to it. So basically, after I've done my notes, then I go ahead and do some homework. So that, well, I do the homework if I don't understand the topic, but if I have, then if the quiz is open online, then I'll just go on ahead and do the quiz. So the thing that I absolutely hate is when I'm going through my notes, then studying or something like that, then the notes like to rip. So I like to put my notes in sheet protectors, and that's what I do once I'm done with everything. And this really helps me to be able to flip through my notes as fast or as slowly as I need to and not have to worry about it ripping. So it also looks pretty nice. It protects my notes from spills or other markers or pen, ink, anything like that that may damage my notes. So again, this helps me to protect my notes, and also it keeps it from ripping. So once I'm done with my chapter 3 notes, this is what my notes look like. As you can see, there's the pink highlighter, the yellow highlighter, and the orange highlighter. You also see some graphs in there and some tables and formulas, and this is basically the way that I do my notes. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this in the future, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!